Everyone, Cocaine Shane. How's everyone doing? Everyone good?
Don't forget England's on tonight, Shane.
Come on, the boys.
Come on,
Go on, Southgate. Fucking one more game to go. Come on, England.
England.
Yeah, fucking, we've got to win tonight. Fucking,
we have.
It's got to be good, mate.
Gotta be good.
Yeah, it's got to be good.
Right, Southgate, don't fuck it up like you did in 1996. Get your squad out there and do this.
Fucking, you know, one game to go. We need to fucking win this. Then fucking, I'll be flying fucking anywhere in the world. Like fucking hibernating. That'll be me. No fucking sitting on my own in the bedroom with a fucking 8 for gear. I'll be watching it. Like Woodchuck will be at home with his family. I'll be at home. Like, it'll be fucking nice. Doing it nicely. Do you know what I mean? Not fucking in the doom and gloom, getting paralytic, fucking getting brassies round.
England! Oh, don't forget, and West Ham.
Yeah, have a good day and see you all later.